Who is that?
Oh
Piggy!
boy!
Oliver!
Are they the
Olivia.
same books? No, different
Sorry.
books.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's great.
Here, you open it like
Oh,
this.
she wants to open them and read them. Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
That's
you
very
knew.
nice.
Did you tell him that she loved Piggy?
Yeah, he asked.
Okay.
Oh my
Wow,
goodness,
those
it's
are all
got a little
different books.
carrying handle. She can carry it around.
Oh, that package will not stay. She will have those books spread all throughout the house.
Yeah.
Look, have you seen that one? Piggy Plants a Garden?
Here's another one from
Piggy.
It's Piggy!
another one from Mike.
Here's another one. Want to open this?
I think we need more wine.
I have 4 bottles. I got a discount at CBS.
Oh, that's right. How could I forget?
Okay, they're not freaking out.
Maybe she's leaving a message or something.
Oh, you want to pull it out? Oh, hang on.
Oh my goodness, that's a big bag,
Oh,
huh?
we're going to be using that as a Santa bag. Pull
Reach
it
in
out.
there. What's in there?
Oh. Oh.
Oh, boy! Zoe, that's a big
Oh
piggy!
my gosh!
It's a Harry.
It's a big piggy!
Oh. Oh.
Give Big Piggy a hug. Give her a hug.
Oh, that's great.
Give Piggy a kiss. Mwah.
Oh,
Can Mommy take a
that's
picture of
great.
you giving Big Piggy a kiss?
Everybody say hi to Mike and
Hi,
Henrik.
Mike. Hi,
and-
Henrik.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Zizi. Cheese.
Now Mommy wants to take a picture.